To change the battery on the car fob for the Mazda CX-5, you'll need a screwdriver, a little one, and a little bit of information on how to take this apart. Here, you can see a little trigger, and just get your nails in here and just do that. And this plate slides open this way. So you pull this tab down, and then this will release. And that opens up. Now you can see the key. If you ever should lock yourself out because this ran out of battery, you can take this key out and open the car door with it. However, you won't be able to start the car with this. You'll be starting the car by putting this at the button. Now I'm going to switch to a smaller screwdriver so I can have better access. I like to use this and dig it in here. So you can see that there's a little bit of plastic in here, and I just sort of pry it. You can see this tab is the one that holds onto it. And once we remove this tab, I'll switch to a bigger screwdriver now. So the easiest way to not accidentally open your boot, if you still have a little battery left, is to hold it this way with your hand. And I like to hold it this way. And I just pry this by pushing it down. And once I can get a little bit of a gap here, then I will start prying like this, see? And at which point you just leverage it and it'll come off. The reason why that works is because you can see here, these are little grooves here, and that holds on to these little grooves here. So really it's just a prying action. Now we've got both covers off. We can access the battery compartment. It's CR2032. Either side you can put a screwdriver in and just pop off this lid. And you can now access the battery. Access the battery, just put in a screwdriver underneath here. And that releases the old battery. I'll now put in a new battery and reverse the process. So put this back. Make sure it's in properly. And then this is the cover. So you find a hole, which is here in the corner. You put the hole in first, and then you just press it in. There. That's one side done. And this little one goes back in just with a snap. So you face it in the direction of which you try to pry it out as. And this piece goes here. And then just press it in. And finally, to put on the lid, you just have to slide it back on. But don't forget your key, otherwise if you get stuck you won't have it. So put the key back in, and then going from here you slide this way. So the button is on the right side, you slide from the left side. So just start sliding, it won't fit right away, and then as you put it, it'll fall into place, and then you slide this way and you'll hear it, the spring, so you'll know it doesn't move anymore. And that's how you change the Mazda CX-5 key fob.